Good morning. So another day today. So now we're gonna explore another target, a new cave. So somewhere in the forest. But before we explore a new cave, we're gonna prepare our breakfast. So they are there and they're cooking, and few minutes we're gonna eat our breakfast. Okay. Come there. Our chef cooking the egg. Ah, coffee time. Chocolate time. We have an eggplant. So Malong Jerry, our chef cook.
Wah, di naman Ornes.
Basta.
Regarde. Si tu veux, j'ai envie de chier, on peut.
Ready now. Prepare. So their GP almost ready. So we go to the another target. Ano nangyari na to? Atong kakatuon? Katot tot ngawan?
Katot ngawan.
Katot ngawan. So we're gonna go to Katot ngawan. So another target. There's a two cave there. With the dry cave and with underground river. So there's two cave in Katot ngawan. So ready to explore new target here in Kurot area. Pero the place we're going is already Katot ngawan.
Kanan larab ito.
Oh, Larab. So still Larab area, the Katot ngawan. Our guide, Dandi.
Katarong ating anan.
Kuya Dandi. Manong Dandi. So exploring new cave. Hiking time. So we'll walk for 1 hour and a half to reach the cave. Now cave. So now there's a crossing here. We're going to now a new location, new cave to explore in the forest. So there's no trail there. We're gonna find the trail going to the new cave. Okay, Tabas. So in the forest. So then, sige. Siya. Yeah. Minta. Kalimatik. Hauger. So we're here in the forest. Near the cave now. Tabas! Big tree. Yeah. We're still going there. Cave now. The entrance of the cave. Another mama cave. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Big tree. The entrance of the cave. Ano nangyari na lungib din eh? Katot ngawan. So we're here in Larab area, Katot ngawan cave. Yeah, Larab area. Yeah. The name is Katot ngawan. So we're gonna explore now Katot ngawan. There's another mama cave. We're gonna explore now Katot ngawan cave. For now the Katot ngawan cave. So let's go inside. Exploring now. So they're all inside. Caving time. Katot ngawan cave. There the entrance of Katot ngawan cave. Beautiful. Yeah, nice. Yes. Katot ngawan cave. Right. It's exploring now. Yeah. Also like Cape Pearl. Yeah, Cape Pearl. Big cave. Beautiful. Beautiful formation. Yeah, we're coming from there. And we still continue here. So, mini stalactites. Nice gallery. Yeah, big chamber. Big chamber. Exploring. Continue. Beautiful, nice formation. There is the chandelier. Look, there, exploring there. What is exploring down there? Like a crack. Yeah, nice formation. Yeah, climbing up there. So there's chamber there. Yeah, beautiful.
Jag tycker...
Formation.
Okej.
Okay. Like a cave pearl. So many. Over there also. Yeah, cave pearl. Formation. A nice chandelier. Looks like a chandelier on stalagmite. Yeah. Nice formation. Yeah, beautiful. They're beautiful. Also here. Nice stalagmite. Snake there. A snake. Yeah, snake. Formation. Yeah. Beautiful cave. Take a picture. Going to the top. Climbing. With the column. Giant column. Giant column. Really high. Cool, like a curtain. Yeah, nice formation. Full column. Really high. Already coated with the calcite. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Terraces. Like a terraces. Beautiful. Honestly. A nice stalactite. Nice formation. Another way there. Exploring. Look at. See also blind crab. Blind crab there. A very nice formation here. Many bats. And so there's no more way. Door is closed. So jeep is there. Nice formation. So we will start the survey from here, going out. Okay. Beautiful, like a wonderful. terraces. Nice formation there. See a bird here. Triplet.
Hello.
Passage. Here, very nice formation. Beautiful, beautiful cave. Only in Galbiga. Beautiful stalagmite. There's stalagmite also. Beautiful stalagmite. Over here is already column connected from the top until to the bottom. So they're still there, serving full stalagmite behind me. There, it's beautiful. Nice. Okay, already surveying going here. Stalagmite. Really high. Already. Big chamber coming now. A giant stalagmite again. And over here, beautiful formation. Stalagmite, stalactite. There's beautiful flowstone in the stalagmite. Nice. Yeah, beautiful stalactite. And there's something dripping here. Water dripping. A beautiful curtain. Very high. Nice. Also the mission. Beautiful stalactite. Nice view. Exploring. Beautiful here terraces. Beautiful formation. Stalactite. Exploring Virgin Cave. We're here in the big chamber, relaxing. There with Manam Dandi, our tour guide, and his son, Elmer, and Bodoy. Yeah, nice cave, very big. Lola Cave. Ano? Lola Cave. Stalactite. Our tour guide in Buluan and Grace. Yeah. Go out. Gonna exit now, Katutngawan. So we just finished the survey. Katutngawan Cave. Okay, exit now. Yay! Out in the cave. Exit. Beautiful exit. Out now. Gonna eat now our lunch. So they're already out in the cave. So they're gonna eat our lunch. So we just finished our eating our lunch also. Yeah, later. After eating. So they're eating with anaho leaves. Dandi. With anaho leaves.
Because it's very dry. Okay, there's no water, no.
Use
Get
plate.
many people, because you know, so sometimes it's muddy, sometimes it's clean. When people have the shoes, smell like that, you know, and then they spoil everything because when they walk, and it's
Dirty. Lunch time. It's now lunch time. I'm still in the cave. The entrance. Or again another cave somewhere near Katutngawan Cave. So we're gonna call this one maybe Katutngawan Cave 2. It's a big cave also. So We're going now Katotngawan Cave 2. Waiting here because the tour guide is there. They're looking for the cave. So they're still looking, and after if they found it, and we go there. Still going there, somewhere there. The cave is there. Small hole. So when you go inside, it's a big cave. So small passage when you enter. Big room. Crawling. Okay. Okay, big room. Oh, kita, anay.
Ano?
Anay. Kita, anay.
Baka haluag nga yan.
Sige. Sige, lusot na. Ito. Oh, dako na. Okay, oh, very good.
Anay, sakit na sangit.
Anay. Sige.
Nakamangdang matuloy tahod.
Okay, big room. Big chamber. Madali lang.
Tapos mo to, yung video rin na loob.
Only small passage that we're gonna pass. So when you pass that small hole there, you will enter big chamber. So like that. So that's the hole. So now you're here. The big chamber. So they're there. So time to explore. Yeah. Katotngawan gyapon ini. Katotngawan Cave 2. We're gonna explore now Katotngawan Cave 2. So they're there. We come back tomorrow. We have no more time to survey. Yeah, still long. There's cave. Entering.
Kada dati ni Kuya Dan.
So to the exit again.
Sanay na so.
We do that today.
Going back now. We have no more time because already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we need to trek back to the camp. See you tomorrow. Okay, Bonshua crawling now, going to the exit. So we're gonna survey this cave tomorrow. Okay. 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 Chair. And you go out now there. Okay. Yeah. Nice. So we came from there. In that small passage there. And there's a room here. And you come out here. Nice. Go out now. And exit. Nice. Okay. See you tomorrow. We're gonna explore this tomorrow. On the cave. Yeah. There. Hang out now. We're now going back to the camp. It's already 3:20 in the afternoon, so I need to go back to the camp. We have 1 hour and 30 minutes walking. So now we're back now to the camp, so they're already there. So back to the base camp. Time for wash up. Yeah. Time for washing because I'm dirty. So later we're gonna prepare for dinner. Yeah, back to the camp. Showing pictures. Very nice. Ano, okay la? Enjoy? Huh? Ano masasabi mo? Ang caving? Caving is fun?
Caving is fun.
Okay. Tama ito. Ikaw, enjoy? Mapanlungib? Campsite. Yeah, in the river. See the river?
We get water from the river. Tingnan ba? Ang saya-saya.
O yan. Oo, sige, sige na video. Ano ka dinakuan?
Saya-saya, di ba? Tapos ng caving, washing, eating, sleeping, repeat. Amo lang namang buhay di dihakuan.
Jungle.
Ano ba? No. Caving, eating, sleeping la. Nice.
Caving is?
Caving is fun. Try it. Caving in summer. Caving is fun.
Okay.
Hindi, picture naman.
Picture? Ano na?
Linda taking a bath. Sige, paya.
Survival.
Amo na mo balde. Dry bag.
Dry bag. I'm using my dry bag.
Okay.
Ano water?
All around. Oh, taking a bath in the forest.
Shampoo.
Sige, shampoo na.
Ano to? Tay.
Oh, ray na sulod.
This is how crazy taking a bath with one hand. Taking a bath in the jungle.
Tapos one hand la. Oh, di ba?
One hand
Partida.
only.
Oh. Oh, kuso-kuso. Oh, di ba? Taking a bath. Sige, regula na eh. See you later.
See you later.
Di ba? Bye-bye. Obod. Ano na obod din eh, kuya? Jerry.
Kuan.
Kalapi?
Pagiti, kalapi.
Ano?
Parasan ano?
Kagiti? Kagiti?
Oh, pagiti nga
Pagiti?
kalapi.
Ngayon kalapi.
Utanon ta pa ito.
Ha?
Utanon.
Dali na, kay medanade. Para boss na ito.
Oh, si adto lang kuan. Tarong.
Kadi luto yun eh.
Oo.
Oh, sige. So rice, cooking the rice in the firewood. And there. Chocolate time. Or drinking chocolate. Yeah, tabli. Pampasalubong center in Katbalogan.
L'anglais qui passe après moi, là, et puis qui me dit putain mais Jean-Paul tu as
Very nice.
t'as économisé
Relaxing
l'énergie ou quoi tu sais parce qu'il a cru que toi j'avais fait exprès de les laisser.
Later we're gonna eat our dinner.
Ah, mais c'est content.
We have rice and vegetable there. Very nice. Cooked by Manong Jerry. Or Chef Cook.
Jerry.
Marasa.
La dernière disco en 2008.
Damo salamat.
Vraiment,
Okay, eating.
sérieux, le sport c'est fini pour moi. Hein. Et les plongées
Dinner.
à Roatan, etc. Et au retour de Roatan, putain, la viande. C'est obligé de. Le matin, quand je me levais, je vais marcher 20 minutes dans la chambre.
Breakfast time. Oh, painaga. Ano, buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Okay, buongiorno.
Et bonjour. Bonjour, Livonias.
Okay.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Okay. So, breakfast time. Oatmeal. Buongiorno. Yeah. Ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, that's Bonjour campsite.
It's a good
Good,
campsite.
yeah.
The free
Yeah, good campsite.
stars.
Okay. So that's one so campsite. Yeah. Smile. Okay. So this is JP. JP's here. outside of JP. Bonjour. Ready. While preparing. Preparing. So this is just hammock. Yeah. Okay. River here. And that's my hammock there. Yeah, I'm sorry. Campsite. Campsite there. Yeah, okay. So this is Rodney hammock. And that's my hammock there. So this is my clothing when we dry up. Okay. So Rodney hammock. So this is our guide hammock there. Yeah, and this one's also our guide hammock. And that's Grace hammock there. This is our kitchen, dining table. Yeah. And that's Jerry hammock, our chef cook, and our kitchen there. And we resting here. So ready now. Yeah. Now again in Katotngawan too. So we're gonna enter now the entrance Katotngawan too.
Kahatotngaw.
So we're gonna prepare here.
Kalupit!
So we're entering now Katotngawan cave.
Jadi pangalan na,
Yeah.
Bedandi. So sige na, kawalanan.
Okay, salamat.
Going now inside.
Kalupit! Kuya Dandi.
Okay.
Isa pa yaw, isa pa. Para
Entering now. Okay. I'm gonna enter now.
Ay, kuya, ito dito ko na ka na.
Sulod distance.
Masalod kami. Sige, pagka nabalitaw.
Okay na, ito na. Okay, they're entering now the cave. That's the entrance there. Okay, you enter. It's a big chamber inside. So, caving time. So now we enter the ladder, crawling. Okay, so we enter from here. Ah, there, Glenda. Okay, dito luyos.
Hindi ako maging kulit. Mas masaya ko din.
Okay. There. Okay. So when you arrive here. Okay. Okay, go.
Nasaan tayo?
So when you come out, it's a big room here. Okay, picture. Well, we're now inside with a nice formation there. Really white. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay.
After you finish, huh?
Okay.
You're going to go there, okay?
Okay.
And then you...
Formation there.
Ah, sorry.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, dry cave. Yeah, dry. A mushroom. So we have no more light because our flashlight is already low, but my strong flashlight, and we are here in the big chamber. So very sad because we cannot see the cave now. We have not enough light. Yeah, very nice chamber. Big chamber here. Big room.
Et en horizontal.
Very nice. Just like a river. Like Snake River.
Yes.
Yeah. Now here in Buluan Highway. underground highway in Buluan. So big gallery and very long. So very sad because we have no more light. Strong light, we cannot see the chamber, the gallery. But this is big cave here. Yeah, it's still big. Woohoo! Highway! Woohoo! Continue! More gallery. Wow, so big. Getting big. Yeah, the highway of Buluan, underground highway. So it's big. So we're just walking flat only. So it's not hard to walk. Okay. Yeah, nice. Yeah, very nice. Big gallery. Yeah, discover, explore, highway.
Highway to cave. Highway to cave.
Yeah.
Explain the way. It's what you it is.
Chamber there, but you need to dig the sand very narrow there, and there's a water inside. Yeah, this is the end. So now they're starting survey the cave. So they're surveying now the cave going back. Beautiful cave pearl. Very big cave pearl. Nice. Ayan cave pearl. Very nice. Mini cave pearl. Nice cave. The water terraces. Very nice. There. Terraces. All the way there. Very beautiful. Like water terraces. Pearl. Over there, mini pearl here. Yeah, mini pearl. Over there. Pool here when there's a water. Natural bathtub. Bathtub here. But no water. When there's a water, so bathtub. Nice. So during rainy season, this is full of water. So we're lucky that's dry, and we pass and we explore the highway to Buluan. So there always is. Very muddy until knee. See? It's muddy. Gonna pass there. Nice mud. Wow. Nice fit. Nice formation here. Look. Very nice. Like that. The stalactites, nice. Stalactite. Now, in the muddy area.
No, it's not ready.
Yeah,
In your
it's
mouth,
clean.
in your head.
It's only clean cave. Yeah, during mini water, this is flood. Mini water here when it's raining. Now it's dry. That's why we can pass to the other chamber, to Buluan Highway.
I'm clean.
Yeah, good. Okay. Good. You're clean.
Yeah.
They're coming out. Muddy. Yeah, muddy. How many meter total?
So nearly 700. It's
Meter, okay.
600 and
700. Okay.
680, something like that.
Okay.
Nearly 7.
Laba pa. Oh. So out already. Finished the survey. So I'm muddy. See, I'm full of mud. And they are here waiting. Again to another cave, not far away from this cave. We finished this one, so only 700 meter, and there's still another one somewhere there. Dande. So,
Chocolate cave.
yeah, chocolate cave. Yummy cave. Good. So they're already there. So we're gonna explore somewhere there, the cave. Yeah, the cave above there, the entrance. Gonna climb more. Yeah. Entrance of the cave. Another one to explore. There's one. JP gonna go inside now. Exploring again. Explore. Diretso nga to. Dito ada. Yeah. Transformation. Yeah, beautiful chamber. It's white formation. Okay. Stalactite. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Very white. Going down now. Going back. So we call this one Katot Ngawan Tree Cave. Katot Ngawan Tree Cave. Okay, start surveying now. There. So, yun. Column. Okay, stalagmite. Column. Giant column. Okay, continue. Kamang-kamang. Kamang-kamang na. Pangutan mga kuhan. Update na tour guide. Romba. Exploring. Nice white formation. Really white, beautiful. The exit. Out in the cave. Beautiful column. Pillar near the exit. Oh, nice. So to the exit. Exit now. We're now on the exit. Yeah, beautiful formation. Okay, that's the exit there. Nice. Okay. Looks like an umbrella. So we're just below here in the truck. Dapat diri laminog bayan mahulog ito.
Kaya damo na ko ng linog ng umagi.
Damo na
wala
lagi
na.
kong alinog ang
Alright. Diri na hulog.
Dili ito basta kaya mo open ka trabaho na insik.
Time. That's my lunch. Yeah, egg and tuna. Egg and tuna. Lunchtime.
So gani pa maupa. Okay, talag sa manday ni. Siguro sa sunod. Langit may hanay ni siguro na mong kami bumisita nga wayo sa tagila kami daso nga pasensya. Maupay nga ubto hay yung tanan mga saud nun, mga kawin nun, mga biton nun.
To another cave, going to the swimming cave. We're gonna survey the Palawan cave, underground river. Alrighty. Okay, tabas.
Ano di ka maapi?
Now, Panonolon cave. So, the swimming cave. Nice. Swimming now in the cave. Washing time. Washing time before entering the cave.
Tibay talaga sila.
Sige lang ko'y dayon. God, oh. Payang, oh. Oh, pwede nga ne. Oh, see? Oh, see? Oh, sige, swimming na. Sina, go. Preparing now. So they can enter now. Rodney going there also. Swimming. So this is a swimming cave. Swimming time.
Ilan ko na ako? Saan nga yan? Hindi na ako.
Tawa.
It's just to make a GPS here.
Okay. Good.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you later.
I'm not sure.
Enjoy.
Grab the last picture.
See you later.
I will disappear.
Mini picture more. Sige. Pandayon. Tagum. Paslaitin tubig. Paslaitin tubig. God, wow, swimming. Swimming time.
Sunod ka damon.
Out. There's Torby.
Okay.
Out in the cave. Finish the survey. Out now. Yeah.
Pag kita siya wala taglalakat kami dahil
On sous-estime, on surestime. J'ai pas calculé.
nagmalim siya matulog na yun.
Good, finished. Out now. Gonna prepare now, go back to the camp. Finish our caving in this area. Tomorrow, back to Barangay Buluan.
Buluan! Ano na kita?
Okay, going back now. Passing the tunnel. Tunnel cave. So we're going back now to the camp. So we finish our caving. Gonna pack up tonight. Tomorrow back to Barangay Buluan. Yeah, back to the camp. Yeah, good. Back to the camp. Finish. Yeah, party time. Yeah, back to the camp. Yeah. Walking now, we're gonna go somewhere there, gonna swim. So there's a nice place for swimming. So we go walk in the river. So we're gonna swim here, like a natural swimming pool. Thing in the natural pool here in the river. So we're gonna wash here.
Pinamalayan. Pinamalayan. So, Pinamalayan. Swimming in the Pinamalayan swimming pool. Yan, yung swimming pool.
Mer, kari ko na. Pinamalayan.
Pinamalayan. Woohoo! Okay. Swimming na. Okay. Pinamalayan. Yeah, nice. Relaxing. Mahak na mabisa oras. Doon ka oras. Okay. Okay na?
Okay na.
Our 9 days here in the forest. Now we're leaving now, going back to Barangay Buluan. So now we're gonna pack up all our things here and go to Barangay Buluan. Packing time. So pack up. Packing na. Packing up. Pack up now. So there's now our porter arriving. Yeah, so there's the guy we're gonna pick up us to bring our equipment back to Buluan. Okay. Oh, they're already here eating. Porter.
Happy. Okay. Tadadan.
Swimming is fun. Going now to Buluan.
Goodbye to Kurot.
Tarara.
Kurot River.
Bye-bye. Next time again.
Go.
So living now in Korot. Dande, our master guide. Sige, hinay-hinay. Yeah, living now. Okay. Bye, Korot. Tabas.
Bye Kurot.
Bye.
Bye Kurot.
Bye. Leaving now. Leaving now. So bye-bye our campsite. Going now to Buluan. See you there.
Tonyo.
Bye.
Mopayaga. Mopayaga. Good morning.
Oh, resting.
Na-translate.
Okay, continue. Maka din na kami.
Kami.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Okay. Sige, ma'am.
Climbing.
Sige, hangin-hangin.
Oh, sige.
Oh, the rock star.
Okay. Okay. Resting time. Hiking back to Buluan. We're near na Barangay Buluan. 1 hour more to walk. Yeah, finally, that's our camp. Dundee House. Yeah. Survive. Yeah. Back. Gila. Yeah, back now. Buluan. Okay.
Washing.
Yeah, washing is done.
Good. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Dundee.
Madidan lungid.
Diin dinahan.
Nagwasig.
Bisang lawas ko, igin ko,
Okay. Dinner time. Good thing again. Dundee House. With our singer there. Anong Tony?
Tonyo.
Dinner. We have a waray-waray song. Right. Manong Tony.
Dagap lang apirti, hulugan ko ka sa pagod, may dakot na sangin, paginlo.
Okay, tapos na.